When you have a box, when you create a box, remember if you go to the steps, you can navigate by holding this. The keyboard shortcut to move is T. You can move an object, and to rotate is Y. So you can see that you can rotate. So remember, in your keyboard shortcut, it is T for move and Y for rotate. So rotate is based on where your cursor is. So wherever you put your cursor, your rotation will change in relation to that cursor. You can see that it moves in different ways. If I put my cursor here, it is going in a different direction. So you can see the difference. You can always command Z to bring it to normal. Remember A to center it. You can add an image to any of your work. What you have to do is you have to go to the surface editor, and then on surface editor you click over here with your left mouse button and go to standard, and then don't click on the E but the T, and I can click on the T and load an image. So let's see if I have some image. So I want to load this image. So the image is distributed, but it is also distributed in relation to how you want to display it. You can also go to automatic sizing. So now you can see that you have image in all different directions. So automatically sizing, you can create an image. You can also give a different viewport or different ways of looking at it. So you can see that spherical. If you have an object that is sphere, it will look very different. So remember that if you have a cube, try to stay to cube, and automatic sizing matters. You can also change the position and other things. Don't click on E because that's for animation. You can see that you're changing the size and space of the image. If you keep going down, it will tile a lot, So you can see it goes to tile. I'm going to go back to automatic sizing. So this is how you add image to an object. Same thing will apply. Say I delete this and go to a ball. Press A if this is not centered. You can see that the ball has the same surface. Right here on standard, click on the T and I change that to spherical. And I can also press tab to smoothen the sphere. So right now, spherically, it is pasted on the object. So this is how you add image to your object. Any kind of image you can take in, and any kind of object you can paste it through surface editor. Let me go again. Make sure it is not on this but on standard, and once you have on the standard, in the color mode over here with your left mouse button, you click on this. Make sure your surface is, you don't have to do any surface on this. By default you're taking over the default, but you can give it a name. Let me see if I can show you some other ways of doing it also. Say you can also, let me see if this works. So I go to Polygon, give it a new name, and click on that. So on your surface editor you have two names, one default, one. So make sure you go to standard, click on that, and load another image. So load this image. And I go to automatic sizing. So you can see now you can have partial image, and so there are two images now pasted on one object. So it's kind of interesting how you can divide up your surface, and then you can see that this area has a different image altogether. Hope this helps, and if you have any question, talk to me in class. Thank you.